An update on our Brembo brakes that we've done just recently. You guys are wondering how it is doing and how well the wheels are doing at this point. Basically here, they look nice. They're actually doing pretty well. And so far so good. I have no issues whatsoever. The only issue I have, and you guys are aware of that, is the fitting on the rims. They do rub actually once in a while. When I hit a big bump, it does, as you guys can see, it's been, rubbing against my wheel here. And so I'm gonna try and rectify that today. I have a solution, I think, and I think it will work in this sense. But I'm gonna try it out. Actually, what I've done is that I have purchased a another wheel adapter, and this time it's a 15 mil instead of the 20 mil. And I figured I'll try to install this one in the front and then remove the one on the back, because I don't think I need the back, to be honest with you. So I do have this 15 mil here, millimeter, that we can try out and see how this works. I'm not sure if the bolt that's on the car will fit this pretty well without anything poking out. I'm sure it's gonna poke a little bit, but hopefully our rim have enough clearing in there to actually, in the back of the rim, that will allow that extra bolt that's sticking out. So anyways, we can try and do this one. This is what we're gonna be doing today, and see if the car will actually be fitting pretty well, that we don't have to rub anymore, and we can take the extra 20 mil on the back, so that way you don't have to worry about it rubbing. As you guys can see, it's sticking out pretty bad. You can see in this angle here, it definitely is sticking out. So we're gonna try and rectify that today, and hopefully, yeah, you guys enjoy this video again. It's just a little vlog, a small vlog on how to definitely install this thing over and see if we can rectify the issue. Stay tuned. Well, it's time to work on our wheels now. I have the car lifted up on air now, basically, so I'm going to be removing the rims pretty soon, and then we're going to try and fit in the new spacers or adapter that we have, 15 mil, and see how that looks. Alright, we got our new adapter in place now. I basically just fastened it in. I haven't torqued it yet. I'm just going to try and fit the wheel. We are sticking out, as you guys can see. Hopefully we got enough clearing in the back of the hub of the rim. And hopefully we'll clear this little poking of the studs here. Just want to try that out first and see how that goes. The test fit. Really hoping this works. Yeah, we do have plenty of room on the back of our rim. Hopefully that will sit in nicely there, and hopefully we won't have a problem fitting it. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like,
So I'm doing this as careful as I can.
my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes.
Go.
I start feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you
Please, please, please. Yes. Nice. Now let's check for any rubbing. Hope we don't rub, because that's the biggest problem we have, is the rubbing part. Yeah, no, it looks good, guys. We're not rubbing at all. We're pretty close. We're definitely pretty close, but perfect. That is perfect. So anyways, I want to torque this up and then fasten everything back in, and then we'll see how it goes from here.
And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
So hey guys, sorry I didn't take any video in this regard, but I'm on the rear here. I took off the 20 mil now, so we're perfectly flush now on this side. So yeah, I'm taking it off because it does rub quite a bit as well. So I've already also fitted that the front now with the 15, and the 20 is right there as well beside it. That's going to be unused from now on. Similarly with this one here, I'm not going to put this in because I don't really need it on the back. It will slightly be wider in the front, but that should be fine because basically we're not really poking too much in this regard now. So hopefully it's a lot flush moving forward when I drop this car. I can't wait to check it out. Yeah, definitely we're no longer poking too much, and hopefully that rectifies the rubbing that we're getting. Anyways, I have to check exactly what the offset on this wheel is. I believe I have a 35 offset on this baby here, so it's actually perfect for the rim. Basically, if you guys are looking for a rim that works for you, you probably need, with the spacer that is, with the 15 mil spacers, you can pretty much get any 18 or 17 inch rim for the Civic Si, as long as you got a 35 offset, I think, on the hub. So anyways guys, yeah, no, that looks good. I'm gonna work on the other side now. I've already taken care of both sides here, and I hope my ride is gonna be better than before. So anyways, stay tuned. Well, time to show you guys how it all turned out. So basically here, it's all done now. The other side as well, as you guys have seen, the time lapse in the process. But as you guys can see here, the car is flush in the front now, which is not too bad. It's not sticking out too much anymore, which is really what I'm going for, guys. As it's been rubbing pretty bad. In the rear, I've basically removed the spacers altogether in the back. I don't really need the spacers in the back because I'm already, almost in a good flush situation in the back anyway. So I might put a 15 there at some point, but for now we'll just run it like that because it's winter time, and maybe next summer, if we haven't found the right wheels on this baby yet, then maybe we'll put a 15 in the back here. But regardless, as you guys can see, the front is looking nice. It's not so bad now, So anyways, the other side, I'm going to show you guys the other side as well. It's not so bad. Perfect. Just exactly how I wanted it. And so we shouldn't have any problem over the winter season on how this thing is. Boy, it's still pretty high in the gap there from the fender well. We got to lower this car sometime, probably in the summer. We got some stuff going and brewing for the Civic Si. As you guys know, I do everything from the ground up, and so we have our nice Brembo and solid brake system, well flushed and conditioned, and now we're definitely going to be working on the car pretty soon. We're going to be starting to do more mods, more powerful mods, more performance mods on this car. I've just purchased few parts for this car. I'm not going to ruin the surprises too much, but with the Black Friday sale out there, I've done some shopping for the Civic Si. Hopefully you guys will look forward for some of the videos we're going to be doing on the Civic Si, and it's possibly the starting of the real mods coming up on this car. Now I got a good base, awesome car with an awesome brake. Man, the stopping power on this baby is amazing. So the stopping power doesn't match the actual power, the stock power that we have now, but the idea is that now that we have our Brembo brakes now, of course, was the next step, right, is to increase the power on this baby. And again, as I said before, we'll keep it as natural aspirated. We don't want to be turboing this baby. We don't need any more turbo in this garage. So, but anyhow, we're going to enjoy our 6-speed NA situation here, and we're just going to keep tuning the car and improve the car a little bit. And it will be my daily anyways, and something that I'm going to be driving most of the time. So I want to keep it as comfortable as possible. So anyways, guys, so awesome. I'm just stoked on how this car is turning out. I really love it. Yeah, so anyways, stay tuned for that.